Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you the new product from HTB Rond, and this is the head heat press. And as you can see, this is the package I'm going to open with you. See? So we are going to check what comes inside. And I'm going to turn it to the side. Here, as you can see, it comes the user's manual, and I'm going to have to check before I use the machine. Then it comes right here, 2 items. Now I have the items that come inside, and as you can see, this one is the mat. And we're going to iron on top, see? And this one is a bag. It's like velvet, and it says HTB Rond, so you can put your machine inside. And right here, I have the machine, and I'm going to open it. See? And this is the cover, but also works to hold the pad. See, you put the pad on top, and this one becomes hard so you can iron on the hats. And here is the machine. And I'm going to take it right here so you can see. Look, how beautiful. Very nice. And this is the plate, the heat plate. Here are some instructions. Here are the buttons so you can adjust the temperature and time. And here is the display. See? Very, very nice. And this is the base. It looks like this. See? So you can put your machine here when it's hot and rest. Now I am ready to start pressing the hats, and I'm going to show you something. The mat right here has these 2 elastic. And we are going to press very well on the cover, and we are going to secure up here on the sides so it doesn't fall off the cover. See, it's going to stay there. And the default settings for the heat press is 210. And right now, can you see it's blinking? It's because it's showing you that it's power, but I didn't turn on. So after you click here, it's going to display the degrees, 210. Now it's going to reach that setting, and this is going to turn green. See, when it reaches 210. And the time that is the default time is 20 seconds. So if you are going to use a different kind of vinyl, you can change those settings. And you have to click right here. For example, right here, now it's 210, the default setting, and it's green. But I want to turn that to 300. So I'm going to click right here and this button once. And this one is going to blink. So I click once and it's blinking, and I can add I can increase the degrees just pressing up here. See, I put 300. And if you click twice, that's for the time. You can adjust the time. So I'm going to click twice. And I'm going to decrease at 15 seconds. This one increases the heat and the time by 5 seconds or 5 degrees, see? So I'm going to leave it up here and I'm going to show you something else. The other items that you may need are butcher paper or this one, which is a Teflon sheet. I just cut mine smaller so I can use it for the hat. And you're going to need a lint roller to clean the hat. And you're going to need some tape. And you can find those at HTV Runt. I just got this one that is a puff heat transfer vinyl. If you want to know more about it, you have to visit that store and the link is going to be in the description box as well. Now I set the heat press at 325 and I'm going to press for 15 seconds and I'm going to use it 3 times because I need to put these 3 pieces. And I'm going to start now. Okay, with the first one is going to be the black one. And I'm going to use this hat. And this part up here, we're going to lift and put it like this so it doesn't make marks right here. And I'm going to put this way because this hat is a little bit small. And this part is more round, so I think it's going to work better if I do it on the side. See, this part right here adjusts better to this hat. And I'm going to close it up here. And I just press very well so I don't have any wrinkles. And I'm going to pass the lint roller. Now I'm going to, because this one is the design, I'm going to start with the bottom. I just put it on top so I can see how it's going to look. And I'm going to put up here, the eye is the center. So I'm going to put it up here. And now I'm going to take these 2 for later. And I'm going to start with this one right here. See, and I'm going to put some tape. I just put one and secure on the sides. And I'm going to press 15 seconds. Now I'm going to put this one and I'm going to fold it like this. And right here, you see the power button is the first one. You press for 2 seconds and it's going to count down the 15 seconds. And you don't need to do anything until the alarm beeps. So 1, 2, and then put it on top. And you can pass it like this until it sounds. You don't have to worry about checking the time. You just need to do this, put pressure. See, now it's cold and I'm going to put this one out. And yeah, it stayed. Now we're going to put the next item and I'm going to just look on my side at the bottom. And on top of this, I'm going to put the old backing because I don't want to ruin the bottom. So this is just to protect what we already did, okay? And now I'm going to put this one, the Teflon sheet on top, and I'm going to do for another 15 seconds. Now I'm going to add the last piece, which is this heart, and I'm going to peel on this side right here, on this side, so I can put it up here because it goes there. Before I took everything, and as you can see, it did stick. So I'm going to add this piece right here. And now I'm going to apply heat on that side only. And now I think it's done, and I'm going to peel the backing. And I'm going to start in this side. First, I'm going to take the black one. And as you can see, it did everything. And even the glitter. See, you can make in one color, many colors, see, or layers. It's very beautiful. And now I'm going to try the puffy vinyl in this hat. And I'm going to secure this one. I'm going to put this one up so it doesn't make marks on this side. And I'm checking if it's better here. This is not too round, so I think it goes better on the side. So I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to secure the backing right here. See? So this one goes straight. Now I'm going to show you, this is what I'm going to apply on the front of my hat. And let's see, yeah, that's the center. And I'm going to put it up here. I think it goes a little more to the left. And I'm going to secure with tape. And let's see. I think it's done. And I'll check. And I think it erased, but I'm going to put another 5 seconds just to make sure that the vinyl sticks, okay? It says that you can do more than 15 seconds, but you have to check. So let's see. I'm going to decrease at 5 seconds. So this one is ready. And I'm going to hold 1, 2, and starts my 5 seconds. That's it. Now this one peels when it's hot. It's okay. And look at this. I'm going to show you. Look, it is raised. It's puffy and it feels like embossed. Very, very nice. I hope you could see. Let me show you. Can you see a little bit right here? And it feels very, very nice. I love it. I highly recommend you the Heat Hat Press from HTV Wand because it works very nice. It works fine with any kind of vinyl. I show you right here. I have the foil vinyl. This is the regular and this is the puffy vinyl. And it takes less than a minute to decorate the hat. And this little one is powerful and amazing. And I like that style. I like that it has the cover, the mat, and the bag so you can put everything together. And you can get 20% off using a discount code that it's valid until April 1st. The link is in the description box. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for all your likes and your comments. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.